Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, compass, security alarm, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.